Let me show you how to create this wavy screen. Press Shift-A and add a cube. Scale it down to the size of a mobile phone. Press Ctrl-A and apply all transforms. Go to Edit Mode, select the front face, press P, and choose Separate by selection. Select the separated face, enter Edit Mode, and drag the bottom vertices downward. Press Ctrl-R and increase the number of edge loops. Select the top edge, press Shift-S, and choose Cursor to selected. Press Shift+A and add a cube. Enter Edit Mode, select all vertices, press M, and choose Merge at Center. Select the merged vertex, press E, and extrude a wavy line. Select the edge, right-click, and choose Convert to Curve. Select the front panel, add a Deform Curve modifier. Set the curve object to the wavy line. Change the deform axis to Z. Grab the screen, press G, move it along the Z-axis until it follows the curve. Select the screen, add a subdivision surface modifier, and apply it. Go modifier, add subdivision surface and apply it. Go to Edit Mode, delete the top section, and extrude the phone frame to the correct size. Select the phone frame, enter Edit Mode, select the corner edges, press Ctrl-B, and bevel them. Select the screen, enter Edit Mode, select the top points, press Ctrl-Shift-B, and bevel them with the same values as the frame. Now select the phone frame and add the Solidify modifier. Finally, add the phone buttons. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.